Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tessie, and I'm gonna be making my family's all-time favorite today, the honey roast and garlic salmon fish. Let's get into the video. Welcome back. All right, to prepare, you're going to be needing the following ingredients as I've displayed on the screen, but here is a sneak peek. So you're going to need some soy sauce, and you're going to need freshly cut parsley. That's it. You're also going to be needing some garlic. You're going to be needing some honey. You're going to be needing butter. You're going to be needing lemon juice, but I haven't juiced that out yet, so you're going to juice that out. And then the star of the dish is the salmon fish. I actually love this fish. To prepare, bring in your black pepper and sprinkle it all around, but because I'm African and I really love my chili, I'm going to be using Cameroon pepper, and I put it as much as possible the way I like it, spicy and hot. Then you're going to bring in your salt or whatever spice you want to use, but I love to use salt, just a pinch of it. And then you put your pan on the stove, put in your butter, make sure that it's dissolved and it's brown. Once it's all melted and it's turned brown, it's gonna bring in your garlic, which is the first thing that goes into the pot. So you bring in your garlic and mix that all around, stay around, and the aroma will fill your kitchen. It's the best thing, guys. So once that is mixed in, the next thing you're going to be doing is to bring in your honey and make sure that your honey is the right amount. And because I'm making about 4 salmon fish, I went ahead and used 4 tablespoons of honey. And then the next thing will be your soy sauce. So I used about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce because I do not like it really spicy, because soy sauce is kind of sweet in a way. So you're just gonna mix that all around and let it stir fry for about 30 seconds. And the next thing is to bring in your lemon juice, and this is the juice from 1 lemon like you've seen in the introduction. So I'm just gonna mix that all around and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And it's been cooking for about 4.5 minutes now, and this is how thickened it is. So you should, once it gets thickened, know that you're on the right path. You just need the sauce to be as thick and as subtle as possible. So this is the sauce. It's been 5 minutes, and then you're going to bring in the star of the dish, your salmon. Make sure that your salmon is placed skin side down. So that is the skin. Just make sure it sits on the skin, just like so. So place them properly on the pan and make sure that every single salmon is placed and has space in between each other, just like so. So you're just going to go ahead and start baiting the salmon with the sauce. Make sure that the sauce touches every single salmon whilst it's still on the stove cooking. So your fire should be about medium to low heat, not too high and not too low, as this sauce gets burnt faster. All right, so make sure that your stove is on medium to low heat, not too high. So you're going to continue to bait the fish until every single fish is moist in the sauce, and then it's cooked for about 5 minutes. Then take it into the oven and set your oven to 150, and then let it roast for 5 minutes. Once it's done, bring it out, use the remaining sauce to spread on the fish, and then you're going to sprinkle your freshly cut parsley, and voila, this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want more food videos, don't forget to just send a message or subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.